Happy Thursday, my friends. We are getting closer to the weekend. I hope everyone takes some time to have some downtime, relax, spend time with your friends, your family, enjoy your life. But before we get to the weekend, I have another work from home job lead. Today's job lead is from the company WorkCare, and they are hiring a document retrieval specialist. Now, this one is in the healthcare field. It is work from home for my United States folks only, and it is a little bit different than the other non-phone healthcare positions that I have been sharing. And so that's why I decided that I wanted to share this one in case anyone wanted to be in the healthcare field but didn't really want to do billing and coding. So the document retrieval representative works closely with the clinics that operate through WorkCare to collect medical documentation for their clients' employee visits. So you will work with the daily dashboard to contact clinics to obtain information regarding client visits. You'll track the clinic paperwork if it's not received. You'll escalate the request to the next level. You'll enter no-shows into the system, and you'll email the WorkCare nurse case managers and drug and alcohol department representatives when no-shows for appointments of testing has not been completed, and you'll verify the paperwork has not been received. So this seems to be on the lines of employees getting drug screening or different tests. They need to show up for their appointment, and you need to collect all the medical records and documentation from those appointments. Now, this does require a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is required, although it is always preferred. But experience is what matters. They want someone who has knowledge of medical terminology and documentation. They also need someone who can have strong verbal, written communication skills, attention to detail, great organization skills, and great computer skills. Now, as far as those computer skills, they're looking for someone who knows how to operate the Microsoft Office system, including Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Now, this job does pay a base salary of $15 an hour, and it does come with the possibility of bonuses or commissions. And they also offer a standard benefit package, including medical, dental, vision, life, disability, 401k. They also include legal benefits, which is rare that a company offers legal benefits, as well as wellness programs. As always, if you have something specific you are looking for, please leave that in the comments below, along with any education or experience that you have. I am always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.